trip. We are going to Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm driving by myself. I've driven long trips before, like to San Diego and stuff, and we've gone from Las Vegas to Florida. So I'm used to road trips. I've just never driven by myself. So it should take about 5.5 hours, I reckon. So buckle up and keep me company. So yes, this is the worst angle for filming, but my little phone holder decided that it didn't want to cooperate, so I've put this in the like little dashboard. So I'm on my way to Phoenix, like I said, and I'm going with work, so I'm going to be there for a short while. So pretty much for the next couple of weeks or so, I'm going to be doing vlogs. So stick with me, and we'll have some fun trips, and you'll get to see some of Phoenix. I've got some fun things planned, but I won't tell you what they are, because I don't want to spoil the surprise. And first of all, I've got to get out of Vegas, so that's going to take at least the first 20 minutes. Okay guys, I thought I'd just hop out the car and show you a little scenic shot. That's the Colorado River down there. I'm about 10 minutes outside of Vegas, and way over in the distance, way over there, you can see Mount Charleston, which is in Vegas. So yeah, I just pulled over real quick just to give you a little glimpse of where I am. So I've been driving for about 45 minutes now. So yeah, very brown. So yeah, I've got, I think, about another 20 minutes of driving through the mountains, and it's going to go really flat for a long period of time, and then we'll arrive in Kingman. Okay guys, I stopped at, I'm at the edge of Kingman. I've just entered it. I stopped for a coffee because I'm getting bored. Been driving for an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. Actually, I'm just about to get a phone call. Okay, so I'm waiting to get back on the road again, and that was my husband. He was just calling to check up on me to see how far down the road I've got. There we go. All right, I'm about to get on the 40 highway. I still have to go through Flagstaff, and then we drive a little ways. I think it's like 15 miles, and then I take a right, and then I start to head down towards Phoenix. So I'm not halfway yet, not even close. So guys, I'll let you know when I get halfway. Grab myself a coffee from the gas station, so hopefully that'll keep me awake. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Hi guys, I've arrived. This is home for a while. Oh, it's nice and bright in here anyway. The decor's not so bad. Nice big TV. Got a little lounge. Hi, I'm really tired. Look at my hair. Yeah, that last 20 minutes was kind of rough, but I made it. What time did I leave? I left at 9:15 and I got here at 2:15. So however long that is. All right, so let's check it out. We got a sleeper sofa, so that's cool. A couple of lamps. I like this little divider curtain here. That's actually a really good idea if someone wants to sleep and kind of not be bothered with the person sitting on the sofa. Phone, clock, which I'll definitely be needing, an alarm. Got a lamp, nice big. I think this looks like a king. Is that the only cupboard? Okay, I've got ironing board, that's good. Look at this, it looks like a table lamp hanging on the wall. That's kind of neat. I think that's the pool outside down there. Is it? Yeah. People chilling by the pool. We got a jacuzzi, we got a fire pit down there, barbecue grills. Let me see. Oh look, a little pull-out table, some storage. Let me see, more storage. Oh, they recycle, that's good. We like to see that. Desk lamp, and then we've got a full kitchen. We've got a dishwasher, little coffee pot. Actually, I need a coffee really badly. cutlery, microwave, definitely need that, sink, full fridge. So that's a nice oh look, kitchen towel. This is very nice. And then let's see, is this the bathroom? It's a nice sized bathroom. Yeah, I like it. Shower, is it a bathtub? No, just a shower. Okay, we can do that. Oh look, shower and shower gel. That's cool. A little pocket door. So this is home. Oh, I really like it. I really like this. This is a nice, let me see the view, what we're looking out at. We are looking at, not sure. Well, that's a business centre down there, because that's how I drove in. So just some mountains, and I think my job is over in that direction. So maybe tomorrow I'll go take a drive, a little dry run, and see if I can find my work. So, alrighty, let me unpack. So I'm just gonna spray a little of this on my pillowcases. Hopefully I can, whoops. So good. Hopefully I can get a good night's sleep. Okay, so we're down in the gym, trying to be quiet. They've got some good equipment here actually. Washer dryers over there. They got the British football on TV. Got a little weighing machine. And then they got some more stuff on the other side. Just sitting here, I'm about to get ready for the day.
Has sprung. I'm over at the tennis court.
So I popped to the grocery store. They have Safeway here and another grocery store called Fry's. In Vegas we have Smith's. So I went and checked them out. The prices I think are a little higher either than Smith's or either it's just higher than Vegas. I'm not sure. So got a red pepper, a yellow pepper, some mushrooms, some broccoli cheddar soup, got some ice cream, oat ice cream, plant-based, let me see, vanilla caramel, sounds delish. Got a small bottle of extra virgin olive oil for frying, some whitening strips for my teeth, got a couple of like beef stew mix and one skillet creamy chicken and vegetable mix, because I bought some Angus grass-fed beef and some turkey patties that I'm not going to do as turkey patties. I'll probably just do like a stir fry. And then I've got some frozen gluten-free meals to either eat as dinners if I don't feel like cooking, or lunch. We do have a staff cafe, so I may just buy food from work for my lunches. Let's see, this one sounds good. And lastly, chili mac, rice, tomatoes and beans. That sounds good. So I'm gonna put my food away, get organized, and then just chill for a minute. I might go sit down by the pool for a minute. It's 73 degrees here in Phoenix, so I might do that for a minute. So this little kitchenette doesn't have a stovetop or an oven. The one that we stayed at in Seattle did. So I was kind of assuming that this one was gonna have it. I shouldn't have done that. But I went down to reception and look what they've lent me. A stovetop, so at least I have one little way of cooking, and they gave me a frying pan too. How cool. So at least I can do a little bit of cooking.